What's good, guys? My name is Robert Love, and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're coming to this video because you checked out my first video, my very first video into YouTube, thanks for coming over to this video.
What?
What's good, guys? My name is Rob Love, and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're here from actually watching my very first video, thanks for making it over to this video. I appreciate you. Well, today we are going to be making caveman weights. I'm gonna talk about how we can make some gains cheap and with some homemade weights. So I found this website called Caveman Weights, and what they do is they make these molds, and I'm gonna just show it to you guys. They make these molds for you to make some concrete weights. So I'm gonna just show you guys how to make these concrete weights today, and here we go. Stay tuned. I've actually already opened the box, and I'll just show you guys some of the stuff that it comes with. So out of this kit, you'll be able to make 2 45s, 3 25s. So yeah, I'm an idiot. 2 sets of 45s, 2 sets of 25s, and 2 sets of 10s. But I mean, honestly, this is just some PVC pipe. And as long as you got that dimension, you can go to Home Depot and get that cut and get some more, and you'll be able to make as many as you want. This right here is some, basically kind of like some rebar, you know, keep the weights together, keep that concrete together so it doesn't break apart on you. So yeah, this is what the kit comes with, and this is from Caveman Weights, cavemanweights.com. And I'll put a link in the description down below. So this is what we're making. All right, so what we're starting with is a bag of concrete, of course, 80-pound bag. Yeah, it's an 80-pound bag. I mean, today, since we only got 3 molds for a 25, a 10, and a 45, that comes to 80 pounds. I know that's not gonna actually use all this concrete, because once you mix that water in, yeah, you know what I mean. So let's get to work. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this concrete.
Hey, this mixing? Honestly, I think I'm gonna need more water than 3/4, but I don't know.
One other thing that I forgot that you guys may need, or that you will need, is a glue gun, hot glue gun. So, and these little center, okay, so for the little pieces of PVC pipe, and they're gonna go right here, dead center in the middle of the mold. So real quick, we're gonna oh yeah, that's something they said to do, is make sure you shake it to get all the air bubbles out and help spread it out. So.
Oh, yeah, actually kind of rises a little bit too.
I almost forgot to put this in. Guys. All right, so guys, this right here, this is gonna be my first batch, I guess you can say. Hopefully I did it right. They seem a little watery. I probably put a little too much water in there, but hey, I got molds. I can do as many as I want. The bags of concrete, they're about $3 at Home Depot, $3 to $4 at Home Depot. So yeah, this is my first batch of caveman weights. You need to let it sit for about, they say 48 hours. So stay tuned for video number 2, and we'll be removing the concrete weights, the caveman weights from the mold. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Trying to get better at this whole YouTube thing. Like I said, it's tough. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching this video. Peace out. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, can you also share this video with your friends and family? Because I'm sure there's other people looking to buy weights, and you don't have to spend all that money. Just help some people out, help me out by sharing this video. Thank you guys, peace out.